Halos 3 bilyong tibok di nang binilang. Bigla na lang silang nagkulang.
Congrats guys! We love you both! Congratulations!
Guys, congrats!
Naalala ko, B, sa UP talaga nag-start yung love story natin. Naalala ko yung tanong ko nun sa'yo, bago ka mag-propose is, ano ba yung favorite UP memory mo? Kasi parang lahat, first, holding hands, kiss, lahat, dyan natin na-experience.
Para saan pa ang mahabang buhay kung hindi ikaw ang kasama?
One of my favorite moments ko talaga with you ay yung bench natin sa tabi ng College of Engineering. Parang I felt at home with you nung time pa lang na yun.
Nandito ka na, natakot pa ako nung simula. Sa wakas, kapiling ka na, natakot pa ako na mag-isa. Mundo kong malabo, kinulayan mo.
In the presence of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, we are here to witness something beautiful and deeply meaningful. Narito ho tayo para masaksihan ang pag-ibigan at ang seremonyang ito na gawa ng Panginoon between Carl Joshua Magaling, tunay nga na ikaw ay magaling, Ributiaco, and Maricar Ragandan Centeno. Maaari po bang palakpakan natin ang Panginoon at ang couple?
To my very soon-to-be wife, you have always seen the best in me, lalo na nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Thank you for giving me a chance and for seeing my intentions even back then.
And as someone who is usually the organizer, the one checking on everyone else and making sure everything is okay, thank you for being the person who makes sure I'm okay too.
Tunos ng buhay, hawak kamay, di tayo nag-isa. Dito sa piling
I promise to build a home filled with love and trust. A home where you can rest your body, mind, soul, and your heart.
ikaw ang tahanan ng puso.
Mayak nila, bahala ka. Bawal!
Bawat halik at yakap mo.
If you ever need Mama, I'll be here for the both of you. Know that you are deeply loved, my son and daughter. I love you. Kung may mga pagsubok mang darating sa inyo, ay malalagpasan niyo yun. Basta't ilagay lang natin ang Panginoon sa sentro ng buhay natin.
Bawat tawa,
Pinili ako ng ate ko bilang proxy rin ng aking father. No? So, para lang alam ng lahat, baka sinisip ni father, nag-asawa ako ng...
sa bawat takot, ikaw ang dala.
Marriage is not about chocolates and butterflies and pick-up lines, right? Alam natin na may mga challenges. So, panghawakan niyo ang salitang ito. Trust in the Lord. With all of your heart, lean out on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge God, and He will make your marriage, your personal life, successful.
Bigyan na nila ako ng apo. Kasi habang kaya ko pang magbuhat.
I'm excited to be your wife, to travel, grow old, and celebrate more milestones with you.
Ikaw ang tahanan ng puso ko.
You are my safest place, favorite person, and my answered prayer. I love you so much.
ng puso ko sa bawat halik at yakap mo dito sa mundo natin tayo'y habang buhay.
In our 10 years, araw-araw nating pinipili ang isa't isa. I chose you then. I choose you today. And I will continue for the rest of our lives. Mahal na mahal kita.